Steve, the main advantage of the bird sitter video over the dog and cat sitter video is the socialization experience that your pet will get. Birds are generally kept as a single pet environment without the ability to interact with other birds. Most dogs and cats routinely are able to socialize with other dogs and cats. It's very rare for a pet bird ever to see another parrot.
So these sounds that we've been hearing in the background are all birds communicating with each other about something?
Definitely. Let me explain a little bit further about the vocalization of parrots. Probably about 50% of the parrot's language is innate. The other 50% is learned by interacting with parrots in a social situation. The capacity to learn language is what makes it possible for parrots to mimic other animals like humans when they become part of the flock. Now, by seeing and hearing birds in this video, they will more fully develop their understanding of language. Because they're born with the understanding of a lot of the parrot language already, they will begin to truly understand how physical social interactions go together with vocal and physical body language. This will eventually help your parrot to develop an ability to interpret the communication that's going on in the human flock.
So not only are we entertaining the bird, we're helping the bird develop with this video.
Yes. Oh yes. We're developing the social abilities of the parrot by having them listen to this video.
You know, I've heard about porpoises being able to talk to each other. I mean, how complex is the bird language?
Well, nobody knows for sure because we haven't done that much research on it. But we do know that a lot of the calls, like the calls that they use to alert each other to the different predators, have different sounds. They're born with the basic program for the predator alarm call, but each predator's call is slightly different, and even from flock to flock you find slightly different variations.
Kind of like when kids are watching TV, but they're not really paying attention. But one of those commercials comes on where the sound is a little bit higher and there's something going on, and it makes those kids watch that commercial so they see the newest toy.
Yeah, that's right. Even if the parrot is not actively looking at or listening to the video, his brain is paying attention on a subliminal level. Just like children watching TV, the parrots will be recording the fine nuances of the communication while engaged in other activities. This video contains a lot of activities that birds find interesting. This behavior right here that you see where he's flapping the wing, that's the wing tick behavior. That baby's just basically saying, hey, don't forget I'm here, pay attention to me. As an adult, he's not going to do that behavior anymore. But now you hear that vocalization that's calling the mom. You can hear it on the bird that we've got loose up on top of the studio here. A number of these babies are doing this behavior because they want to be fed, they want us to know that they're here, and we need to pay attention to them.
That's right. And since you've been feeding them, I think this bird probably wants to see your mom, right?
Pretty much. Now this is one of the behaviors that we find on the tape. This behavior, all parrots recognize it. It's the same type of behavior. It causes the same response in the brain of the parrot as the behavior or the response that humans get when we hear a baby crying and trying to get our attention. This is a good example of all of the different types of behaviors, body language, vocalizations that we're going to find on the video that your bird is going to pick up and understand from the start. Because this is a innate behavior, he will be able to learn to add on to that behavior when he sees the mother interacting with him. And a whole host of other behaviors we're going to see on the situation develop. So the bird will see the innate behavior and then see the learned behavior that the birds learn in the flock that we have and interpret that behavior and build on that so they become a better pet, better able to understand our communication.
Folks, that's what the bird sitter video is all about. Like the dog sitter and cat sitter, we've worked very hard to create a special video and DVD exclusively for birds. I went out, got the experts, just like we did in the other videos and DVDs, and we put together something that will actually not only entertain your pet, but it will work for your pet. It will help them improve their self-esteem, and it will entertain them. It's like putting on a bird movie for them every day that they see as something that's new, exciting, and different. It's in the background. You put them back into their natural environment. Steve, I'm really happy you're here today with me to explain this whole concept of the bird sitter video and DVD, and I certainly do appreciate Junior here, and everybody coming down to the set. And folks, all of our products are totally 100% guaranteed. If you're not totally satisfied, just call the 800 number and we'll take care of you. Enjoy the Bird City video. Thanks.
Thanks for having me.